Okay. 7.2 section formula. Okay, so I have written it. I will draw and show to you what its meaning. Suppose a line segment. So you have a line segment. Okay, joining A and B. So it is joining A and it is joining B. Is divided by P. So it is divided here, somewhere in the middle, or it can be here, anywhere. In the ratio M1 ratio M2. That means this part is M1, this part is M2. Then, okay, this P is XY, this A is X1 Y1, and this B is X2 Y2. Then this is the formula. So how you can remember is, it will come opposite, M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. Here also same, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now always remember, this middle is a comma. It is not any plus, it is not any multiplication, it is nothing, it is a comma. So this first part will coordinate to X coordinate, and the second number will be the Y coordinate. Now we will directly go to the formula in the exercise, so you will understand better. Now here, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1 and 7. So this is your A and 4 and -3. This is B in the ratio 2:3. So I have written -1 7 4 -3 2:3. So we have to find what is X and Y. So before you start by writing X1 Y1. This is X2 Y2. And this is M1 M2. So we have to find what is XY. What is the formula? Just now we have written it, so you write it again. So the formula is M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now what is M1? We have written that. So directly write 2 multiplied by X2 is 4 plus M2 3 multiplied by X1 is -1 divided by 2 plus 3 comma M1 is 2, Y2 is -3. In this, the substitution is only very important. M2 is 3, Y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So this will come 8 minus 3 by 5 comma this is -6 plus 21 by 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5, and -6 plus 21 minus 6 is 15 by 5. So cancel 1 3. So what's the answer? For one line I have to write on the next page. So the answer is 1 and 3. 1 3. This is the answer. That's all. So this is XY. This, okay. So it is like, if it is given, then it is direct multiplication, direct substitution of the formula. Okay, second one. Second one is a little tricky one, so we'll do that. Let the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line segment joining 4 1 4 minus 1 and -2 -3. So for this I'm going to draw. Okay, so that is a line segment which is joining 4 minus 1. So one side I'm writing 4 minus 1, and another side I'm writing -2 -3. Okay, so now what is given here? Trisection. So trisection means this line is divided into 3 parts. So how many will come? This is 1 part, this is 2 part, and this is 3 part. And the most important thing is all things are equal, all the parts are equal. So this means this will be 1 part. If this is 1 part, this is also 1 part, this is also 1 part. Okay, so I am going to give name here A and I'm going to give this the name B. So let's give this name C and D. So now look carefully. What is the ratio of this C? It is 1, and this side of ratio is 1 plus 1, 2. So the ratio of C is 1:2. So first we are going to find C. Where is the pen? Here and it is. Okay. So what is the C divides AB in 2:1. Okay, again, sorry, 1:2. Okay, again I'm saying why it is 1:2. So now all are equal parts means everybody is having the same number. So if it is having the same number, we will take it as 1 because that is easier to multiply with. Okay, so C, we have to see in the left side how many is there, in the right side how many is there. So in the left side there's only one part, so we have written 1, and on the right side there are 1 plus 1, so you write 2. So the C is dividing the full line in the ratio 1:2. So C divides AB in 1:2. Now this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is m1, m2. So C, that is xy, what is it with the formula? m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Then here m2x1 y1 plus m1 y2. Just remember it will come opposite. Okay, so m1 plus m2, that is how you remember the formula. It will be opposite. This is x, this is y. Okay, so now let's substitute. m1 is 1 into x2 is -2, plus m2 is 2, x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2, comma m2 is 2, y1 is -1, plus m1 1, and y2 is -3 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, so now 1 into -1, -2 plus 8 divided by 3, comma this is -2 minus 3 divided by 3. Is this correct? 2 into -1 plus 1 into -3. Okay, so 8 minus 2, 6 divided by 3. This is -5 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. This is not cancelled, so you can leave it like that here. 2 minus 3 by 5. So this is C. The same thing you have to do for D. Okay. So for D, on the left side, how many is there? 1 plus 1, 2 is there. So D divides C in which? So D divides AB in which ratio? On the left side 2 is there, so 1 plus 1, 2. 2:1. So again you have to do the same thing. Is equal to, I'm doing fast, okay, because the video is becoming big. So m1 is 1 into x1. The x1, x2 is the same thing, okay. Alone this will become m1, m2. This will become m1, m2. Because AB is the same thing, so x1 and x2 will be the same thing. So m1 is 2. Then m1 into x2, which is -2, plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. This will be the same. Next, m2, 1 into y1, -1 plus 2 into -3 divided by 2 plus 1. So now this is -4 plus 4 divided by 3, -1 -6 divided by 3. So this is 0. This is -7 by 3. So D is so this is the answer for D.